So why have you chosen this staging and this lighting?
Okay, so in Aerospace, I really wanted to focus on the visual and audio semiotics of the piece. I was looking into Kirby's Continuum, which is a continuum talking about the difference between acting and non-acting. And on it, there's at the very one side of things is non-acting. It's as an actor, you're walking just to work. You're not putting on front, you're just walking. Then as you go up and through the line more and more and more, you get to what's known as simple acting, which would be you're on stage, learn lines, doing a performance, playing a character. Then you have complex performing. Now, Michael Kirby said it's very simple or anyone can act, but not everyone can act in a complex way. To enhance the complexity of the actor's performance, I'm using technical theatre such as line. So to enhance the complexity of the continuum, I'm using the elements of technical theatre such as lights, sound and video to enhance the overall performance. So one of the examples is with lights. I'm enhancing the lights to visualise the idea of a war zone by using browns, or for example, when there's a bomb going off, I'm using the audio of the explosion with a flash of lights, which makes the audience almost feel that they're in that war zone at that moment. I'm also using a lot of atmospheric sound, such as a dum, 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 or a sub drum, which in return kind of adds to that impactness. But at the same time, there's also scenes where I'm doing the opposite, where there are no sound effects or atmosphere, as I want the atmosphere to be the sounds that are in the room, as going through one of the songs, 4 minutes 33 seconds, which uses 4 minutes and 33 seconds of complete silence, where the art is in the sound in the room.
Okay, so what lighting techniques have you used for Elle's piece?
Okay, so for Knitting Ukraine, based on the colours of the Ukrainian flag, which is blue and amber, through my research I managed to find that in colour theory, a complementary colour scheme is two opposite colours on the colour wheel, which just happens to be blue and amber, which means that for this piece I like to use a lot of blue washes with amber spots to focus the attention in on the amber lit parts of the show. I also used an analogical colour scheme for this, which means that you use 3 colours beside each other on the colour scheme opposite with the complementary. So for example, you have orange, which would be one side, and on the other side would be blue. And to make this analogical, I've put in blue, purple and red, which adds this feeling of togetherness, but with the amber, it sparked a bit of interest in that insight.